Good evening, lovely family and friends. It's evening. Usually I say good morning. So tonight it's good evening. And welcome back to my channel by Good Switch. And tonight I will cook one hot pot dish called sukiyaki. And I just want to share and show with you how I prepare this simple, healthy one pot dish. So I hope you enjoy and stay with me.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. Maybe I should have known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city light.
마마同じご飯じゃないお昼まだあるどうかなyou how much is one box? Thank you for watching 美味しかったですよバイバイまたね See you
So